Federation Rule 4-2-2A states that the ball becomes dead when a runner allows any part of his person, other than his hand or foot, to touch the ground. There is an exception for the holder for a place kick to allow that player to have a knee on the ground and have the ball remain live. But with that, there are certain provisions. In this scenario, we'll see that the runner, the holder actually, will rise up to catch a snap and his knee comes up off the ground. And as long as he returns immediately to the ground and plays the ball for the kick, that ball would remain live. Here, however, he's raising his knee again to pass the ball to the kicker. In that scenario, because he lifted his knee back up off the ground, the ball remains live. And if we look at a comparison, same situation, the snap is high, the holder raises his knee off the ground, again returns to the ground. However, on the right, he keeps his knee on the ground and passes the ball off to the kicker. On the right, the ball would remain dead. On the left, the ball remains live because he raised his knee up off the ground there on the left. Let's now look at another situation. Holder has his knee on the ground. The snap goes high, but he muffs it, and then his knee returns to the ground. So anytime that holder muffs that snap and returns his knee to the ground, that ball becomes dead. Now, if he were to keep his knee on the ground the whole time, even while he muffs that snap, that ball would remain live. But in this case, he raised his knee off the ground, muffed it, that ball immediately becomes dead. Let's take a closer look at this. Knee on the ground, knee off the ground, he muffs it, the ball would become dead as soon as he returns his knee to the ground in possession of the ball. Keep it safe, keep it fair, know the rules, get it right.